So let's see if she'll fire up without spinning anything weird with our new jack shaft installed. Yeah, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears went into this baby. And let's turn our gas on. Oh, it's got a S&S Super E carburetor. It's got an oil pressure gauge. It's got an oil temperature gauge on the dipstick. You know, the list is long of what all has been done to this thing. Anyway, let's see if she'll fire up. Make sure she's in gear or not in gear. Just like that. Come on, baby. Hadn't been cranked in a little while. There she goes. Yeah, what it was doing before, when you hit the starter button, it would kind of spin. And then it might engage after a couple of pushes of the start button. So all I did was replace the jack shaft with a little assembly. You can get that online. It is the PG100 starter pinion gear setup. So if you've got the BDL open drive like this, that's probably the one you need. BDL PG-100 was the part number for the kit. And there you have it. I got other videos about this bike. Really proud of how it came out, you know. I mean, it's definitely different, unique, and not many big twin bobbers do you see out there. So I really like how the way it turned out. And so check out our other videos on this little baby. We got all kinds of stuff relating to the project and the wiring and, you know, just getting it all set up and running properly and whatnot. And now it really rides great. I'm thoroughly pleased with how it turned out. So check us out. And we're always posting other stuff about cars, bikes, lawnmowers, stuff around the house, Chevy trucks. You know, you just name it. We got stuff going on all the time. So hope you check out our other videos. We will see you soon.